Hello friends, today's topic is behavior of gases. So as we know that PV is equal to N kBT, right? So that's our ideal gas equation. Now if we have two gases P1 V1 is equal to N1 Kb T1, right? Here in this equation Kb is Boltzmann constant, so it is remains always constant here. Second gas have this condition P2 V2 is equal to N2 KBT2. Okay, from first equation we have to subject Kb, so we have P1 V1 upon N1 T1. Similarly, in second equation subject Kb, again P2 V2 upon N2 T2, right? So that's our basic constant, that is called Boltzmann constant. Okay, now we have this ideal equation, that is PV is equal to mu RT, right? Mu is the number of moles, so mu have another formula, that is N upon Na, right? Number of atoms in particular 1 mole and number of atoms in given mole, right? Similar, M upon M0, molar mass, substance mass, that is our mu, right? So how this formula we get here? By three laws, Boyle's law, Charles law and Gay-Lussac law, we form this formula, as we discussed that earlier, Gay-Lussac, Boyle's and Charles, right? Now here we have PV is equal to mu RT, right? What is R? R here, that is R is equal to Na into Kb. Okay, so by putting that formula here, we get PV is equal to mu. What is mu? N upon Na. What is R? Put that value, put that formula, Na into Kb into T. Na get cancelled out. We are left with PV is equal to N kBT. Okay. Now subject only P, then we get P is equal to N upon V, Kb into T. So P is equal to, we can write N. So total number of atoms per unit volume. So P is equal to N kBT. So this is nothing but N is equal to capital N upon capital V, right? Total number of atoms per unit volume. Okay. So that's our pressure formula. Okay. Now yes, here PV is equal to, if we have different gases, means different number of moles, then mu1 plus mu2 up to, if we have n number of gases, then mu n into RT. Okay, so we can write this formula mu1 RT, but if we just cross multiply this V, then we get V here, so RT upon V, plus second term mu2 RT upon V, then last term will be mu n RT upon V, right? So that's the whole pressure formula here. For different number of moles we have one pressure formula. Okay, in the textbook we have different characteristic, different graphs, so you need to go through this all graph, that you know that all the characteristic different for different graphs for different phenomenons, right? Is for example PV upon T versus P graph, PV upon T versus P graph, right? T versus V graph. So you have to go through all the graph and know the characteristic of different graphs, right? So that's our topic guys, behavior of gases. That's it for today now. Bye.